So as the youngsters say, you know the thing's set, right? It's 3 contestants. They get a minute each, and then the great and wonderful judge who used to do.
That is me.
Yeah, who used to do the voice will judge right here. Our first contestant is Pin Code.
Yeah, yeah. And the truth, I'm have to unveil it to the youths. All right, now this time, me the youths. We know the truth. Yeah, the time have come which I've said. Where the hungry man won't be fed, and the blind man won't be led. Why mankind gets so dread? Come again. Time have come that I've said. Where the hungry man won't be fed, yeah, and the blind man won't be led. Why mankind gets so dread? Imagine to live in a world like there's no worth a dollar bread. Cause one day get more pass and you know care more bloodshed. Everyone that get ready no make sense of bed, them ready to paint the town red. No prophecy reveal, no man no safe in all them bed. But Pin Code, I man I seek the Almighty instead. I see the time have come which I've said. Where the hungry man won't be fed, and the blind man won't be led. Why mankind gets so dread? Come again. Time have come which I've said. Where the hungry man won't be fed.
3.
Pin Code gets a 3. And the next contestant is Irie AC.
Ooh, baby girl. Oh, say, girl, how to make you mine? How do I get a second of your time? Cause you're so fond of your design, gotta make you mine. Some way, somehow, you are the right wife. Time say, girl, how to make you mine? How do I get a second of your time? Cause you're so fond of your design, gotta make you mine. Some way, somehow, you are the right wife. Time. First time that I saw you, I didn't know the right words to say. Ooh, baby, I'm standing here looking at you. I realize you brighten up my day. Oh, hey, this is my chance to leave.
Irie AC.
Eh? Here, you said no calls?
No calls.
3.5.
3.5 for Irie AC. Our third and final contestant, she has green hair. Nuts!
I don't know what I've been able to see you in.
Yesterday I woke up, can't believe you straight away, you straight away, you straight away. I really wish I really didn't really love you. I never bad moments, bad moments. Bad movements, bad movements. Why can I get what I want? Why can I get what I need? Do I need life all by myself? Ooh, please, baby, it's killing me. I wish I never ever love you, baby.
All right, it's all right, Nuts.
Your voice is so beautiful.
Yeah,
Why'd you
right,
stop, girl?
I saw.
Why'd you stop?
I saw.
Oh, man.
I saw Nuts. Don't worry about it.
Oh, man.
Yeah.
4. I joke. No. I wish you had just pushed through. Got to push through the nerves, lady. That's how it comes with the nerves, you know. You have to push through them. What I must do about Nuts, people? Tell me now. I don't know. No.
Judge stuck.
Tell me what to do. I'm stuck.
To be fair,
voice
because
is
you
so
didn't
beautiful.
finish the song, to be fair. Yeah, but your voice nice and stuff, man. Don't worry about it.
Probably a 2.5 again.
Yeah, so Irie AC would be the the winner this morning, and Irie AC will take us out. But also nuts. Nice voice.
Beautiful voice.
And you will get another opportunity to showcase your talent. I'm sure of that. Yeah? All right, just keep on pushing.
Can you give the mic to Irie AC?
Yeah, Irie AC will take us out.
I would love to hear that tune though. Maybe after the show you can sing it for us now.
All right, we're going to take a break, and then when we come back, Irie AC will take us out. Soon come.